Cymru Welsh Water provides water and sewerage services to almost 3 million people in Wales and the border areas of England. It's a vital service on which we all depend, and now is when we send out the annual bills. And although no one likes getting a bill, Welsh Water customers will once again be getting a special dividend.
We've increased the level of the customer dividend this year so that customers that get both the water service and a sewerage service from us will receive £21. We don't actually send that out as a cheque through the post, we show that as a discount on the bill.
Your bill shows how much our regulator Ofwat allows us to charge you, but the customer dividend means we can reduce your bill by £21 this year if you receive both water and sewerage services from us.
We're the only company that are able to do this because we're the only not-for-profit water company. That means that we have no shareholders, and so when we make a financial surplus, we're able to return that to customers by way of investment and through the customer dividend. In recent years, we've increased the efficiency of the company, and we're now in a much stronger financial position. So that means that we can increase the amount that we return to customers every year.
With 1 million bills going out, this is a very busy time of the year for our staff. But at Welsh Water, we always aim for a first-class service at any time of the year.